Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to assign a Facebook friend as an admin on your Facebook page. First, open Facebook. Then click on the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, click on People and then Page Roles. Under People with Task Access, click on Add New, then search the name of that person and select it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Admin and then click on Give Access. The person you selected will receive an invitation email. They will need to click on the link in the email to accept the invitation. Once they have accepted the invitation, they will be able to manage your page just like you can. Here are some things to keep in mind when assigning someone as an admin of your page. Only admins can make other people admins. Admins can remove other admins. If you remove someone as an admin, they will no longer be able to manage your page. I hope this helps.